So here's the new closet we built for one of the rooms. We put in a new floor in this whole room, as you noticed. And then we put this wall, it already had this door, but we put this new wall where this picture is. We put that new wall in, we installed this door here, and we installed this door here. As you can see, painted all the walls. We installed this door with the wall that got put in. This used to be a closet, but it got turned into a new bedroom. And then we did all the floors. Also, there used to be a cabinet right here. We installed a door, put a mirror on the wall, installed a brand new cabinet where the tub used to be, and painted all the walls. So this is a new bathroom with a brand new cabinet. This is a custom cabinet that got built and got put in where the tub used to be. And the sink used to be over here. It has a new doorway now with this new wall added to make this new bedroom. And that's it. You could see the previous video that I made that explained what we were going to do here, but there was a wall right along here that connected and then went over that way to that wall. And all that got changed. And that's it. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.